Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Arora and I'm here to talk about a new revolutionary smartphone from Oppo, a brand that has always been at the forefront of innovating bleeding edge technologies. The new handset comes from the house of Oppo's premium Reno series, which has always stunned us with impressive features and power-packed performance. It was Oppo's Reno series which introduced the world's first shark fin pop-up camera and 10x hybrid zoom on a mobile device earlier. Continuing its leadership in designing innovative smartphones, Oppo upgraded the Reno series with Oppo Reno5, the world's first smartphone with 44 megapixel dual punch hole camera. Last year, Oppo again took us by surprise by introducing the Reno5 Pro, a phone with 65-watt fast charging technology and seamless 3D borderless touch screen. It was one of the most impressive smartphones we got to test in 2020. And while we were still enthralled by Oppo Reno5 Pro's performance, Oppo has gone ahead and introduced its successor, Oppo Reno5 Pro 5G, with an array of mind-blowing new features and high-end specifications. As you can see, we have the retail box of Oppo Reno5 Pro 5G and we are going to unbox it to give you our first impressions of Oppo's new premium smartphone. So let's get started. Here we have a very clean and premium packaging for the Oppo Reno5 Pro 5G. Let's not waste any time and open the box. So this black color cardboard box houses a protective case for the handset, a SIM card ejector tool, warranty book and a quick start guide to get you started with the smartphone. And finally we get our first look at the Oppo Reno5 Pro 5G. We have got here the astral blue color variant which simply looks stunning, but you can also buy the smartphone in starry black color option. Let me remove all the plastics to give you a better look at this dazzling piece of technology. Isn't it stunning? We have never seen such a unique and gorgeous color shade on a smartphone. We will talk more on the phone's design, but let's find out what else is offered in the box. So here we have a 65-watt SuperVOOC 2.0 flash charger. Then we have a Type-C data cable, earphones and everything. So Oppo has provided everything in the box with the Reno5 Pro 5G. You don't need to spend a single penny on any essential accessory when you purchase the Reno5 Pro 5G. We haven't come across any smartphone in recent times that looks as gorgeous as the Oppo Reno5 Pro 5G. This new astral blue shade looks mesmerizing. The unique shade is a result of Oppo's all-new sophisticated Reno Glow process, a unique anti-glare glass engineering process developed by Oppo. It creates a beautiful shimmering effect on the back panel, giving it an appearance of holding millions of tiny sapphires. Oppo's patented AG glass process not only enhances the look and feel of the device, but it also makes it fingerprint and scratch resistant. The Reno Glow process also makes the phone resistant to water droplets and grease. Moving on, the phone is extremely ergonomic and fits perfectly in my hand. It is unbelievably sleek and is one of the lightest smartphones in the market, which makes it perfect for one-hand use. Overall, the Reno5 Pro 5G is a perfect blend of style and comfort. It truly complements your style and is designed to turn heads. Well, it's not just the phone's design that caught our attention, but the Reno5 Pro 5G's gorgeous curved display is also a treat for the eyes. The 3D borderless touch screen is unbelievably crisp and super fluid, thanks to the 90 Hz refresh rate, which makes everything extremely smooth and responsive. And despite being a curved display, the screen is resistant to ghost touches. You won't even notice any accidental touches spoiling your user experience. Needless to say, Oppo is a true leader in curved screen technology. Even the previous Reno4 Pro and Find X2 smartphones with their bezel-less 3D curved screen were miles ahead of the competition. And if you prefer to binge watch your favorite TV shows on your smartphone, there is one less reason to worry. The Oppo Reno5 Pro 5G screen is certified as SGS Eye Care Display, translating to less strain on your eyes. The display is also HDR10 Plus certified, which means you can stream high quality supported content on OTT apps in their true form for an unmatched viewing experience. Now let's talk about my favorite feature of the Oppo Reno5 Pro 5G, the game-changing 64 megapixel quad camera system with industry-first full-dimension fusion portrait video system. The innovative new camera setup applies smart algorithms to significantly improve video quality and portrait effects for an enhanced videography experience. The camera setup comprises of a 64 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, 2 megapixel macro sensor and a 2 megapixel mono camera. The primary camera captures high resolution pictures with high dynamic range and natural colors. The quad lens camera system is further complemented by professional grade software features, especially the game-changing AI highlight video mode. Once enabled, the phone records clearer, brighter and more natural videos even when the light conditions are not favorable. Further, Oppo's AI algorithms allow you to shoot astounding 960 FPS slow motion videos and capture stunning portraits that highlight only the subject color with the innovative AI color portrait mode. The Reno5 Pro 5G's camera also brings a game-changing dual-view video mode which can prove extremely handy for content creation. The mode allows you to shoot video from both front and rear cameras simultaneously to create exciting content for social media and other video platforms. For instance, if you run a travel blog on YouTube, you can record a video in a scenic location where you are showing your excitement in one screen and the view of the location in another one. Video footages from both the cameras appear at the same time, which makes things way more exciting and informative at the same time. I have been using the Oppo Reno5 Pro 5G as my daily driver for a while, and I must say that this is easily the most powerful handset in the market. It is the first smartphone in India to be powered by the all-new 5G-enabled high-performance MediaTek Dimensity 1000+ chipset. The CPU ensures industry-leading performance and extremely low power consumption even while running number-crunching tasks. The smartphone can handle multitasking, heavy applications and 3D games without breaking a sweat. Most importantly, the Reno5 Pro 5G is a 5G-enabled device, which makes it future-ready to offer unmatched data speed and access to faster network speeds. Oppo is undisputedly the king of fast charging technology, and with the Reno5 Pro 5G, the company has ensured that you and I don't have to wait for hours to recharge our device. There's no other smartphone in the market that can match this crazy fast recharge speeds of the Oppo Reno5 Pro 5G. This was our unboxing and first impressions of the all-new Reno5 Pro 5G. The 5G-enabled smartphone brings a premium design with a 3D curved borderless display, an innovative 64 megapixel rear camera with AI highlight video feature, and the crazy fast 65-watt charging speeds. The Reno5 Pro 5G is available at Rs 35,990 and will go on sale on 22nd January 2021 in Astral Blue and Starry Night color variants.